Good morning, everybody. I am going to show you my workout this morning. These are phase 1 exercises, so remember to drink your BCAAs, your branched chain amino acids, while you are doing your workout. You can put them in 24 ounces if you want, a larger bottle, but make sure you're getting those down, and then afterwards you are following it with a low-carb shake like the peach mango, the new watermelon hibiscus, orange, so great flavors, but only 1 carb and 18 to 20 grams of protein. So here we go.
All right, now Renee is joining our class this morning, and she's a little bit modified version of the workout, but she's still getting it done. She's doing 3 sets of 25 kettlebell squats with a 25-pound, while over here we've got Arson and Victoria doing barbell back squats. And then when everybody's done with all their sets, we're gonna go into some swings. Good job, Renee. All right, and here's Renee doing her kettlebell swings. Again, she's in my class this morning, but a modified version of it because she is phase 1 protocol for ideal protein. And she comes in, does the same kind of stuff, just keeps her heart rate just the right amount to build strength. Good job, Renee. All right, got some pull-ups going. Good, Renee. All right, and Renee is doing a modified version of sit-ups. She actually has push-ups. Sorry, excuse me, push-ups. Haven't finished my coffee yet here. She has her arms a little bit wide. That's because she has some neck and shoulder issues, and we don't usually go over 10 reps. So she has 3 sets of 10 right now. On her knees, nice and smooth. Ideal protein, phase 1. Good job, Renee. All right. Renee is doing 3 sets of 12, the dumbbell flat chest press here. She just did her 10 swings in between. And then we've got Victoria over here and Arson's on his rest. Good job, you guys. All right, so we're doing some dumbbell squat thrusters here. So again, a little more modified version for Renee. She's doing 3 sets of 15 of these, where Victoria over here is doing 3 sets of 25. She's a lucky girl. All right, good job, you two, looks good. And then Arson's over here, resting. You got it.
Hey everybody, all right, the workout's over. It's light, it's easy, it's simple, but it's toning, and summer's coming. We all wanna feel nice tone to our muscles. Remember, no cardio. Cardio's not gonna help you, but what you can do is go for a nice walk, take the dog for a walk each day, something simple. All right, have a good one, you guys.
Bye, guys.